Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back. How are you guys feeling today? So, today's video is going to kind of be a random one, I think. I don't know, I just had this on my mind. And if any of you guys are out there feeling this way, at least you know I'm not alone, because I'm sure everybody goes through this. So yeah, let's talk about it. So here lately, I want to say maybe the last couple of months, maybe you've noticed it with my channel, but not only has it been with my channel, it's been with my life, everything. A lot of times I've been losing inspiration, and I go on a tangent, I don't stay on focus. You guys know, you know who I am. Yeah, like I said, I've been losing a lot of inspiration. As an artist, like a makeup artist, you always, I don't know, like at least for me, I feel like here lately I've been comparing myself to a lot of people, especially with social media. There's all these like crazy cool designs, or like when you try to enter contests and you're like, or like a beauty influencer's like, oh, post your look and I'll recreate it, and then you post it and then you look at like everyone posting, you're like, holy crap, like you feel like you almost like you're not good enough. And I don't know if that is like an anxiety thing, like just questioning myself all the time, or if it's just, I don't know what it is, because I have a bad habit of comparing myself a lot. And there's so many good artists out there that are just like extraordinary, that it kind of like makes you feel less of an artist, or it makes you feel like I don't know how to say it, like you just feel like you're not good enough, or maybe this isn't meant for me because I can't do what these people are doing, so maybe this isn't what I'm supposed to be doing. Maybe it's like I'll never be that. And that's my downfall lately, is comparing myself to so many artists. Like, so with social media nowadays too, if you want to get anywhere with social media, unfortunately, you have to stand out so much. There's so much content out there, not just with YouTube videos, but like just Instagram. Like that's why, unless like my channel blows up, I will probably never be like Insta famous, or like my work will be recognized by a brand, because yes, I do okay makeup looks or good makeup looks, but there's so much filtered stuff, there's so much Facetune, Photoshop. I'm not saying anything's necessarily wrong with it to an extent, but a lot of it's not realistic, and that's what social media unfortunately wants nowadays, is they want the unrealistic. They want, because it's going to make someone buy a product and think that that's exactly how you're going to look when you put it on, and it's, like I said, it's not realistic. As much as I would love to be recognized by a brand, I don't know, I find a hard time, I don't know, I just feel like I can never be that. Or maybe I can, but I don't want to sit there and like Facetune the crap out of my looks and do all these things and them not, it's not realistic for majority of the people. I have so many people come into my job and they show me a picture of a beauty influencer who has pounds of highlight on, pounds of makeup on, Facetune, Photoshop, great lighting, great camera, so many factors that go into it, and I have to try to explain to them that I can apply products on you and give you a look like this, but I can't recreate what you're seeing because it's not realistic. And trying to explain that to people is so hard. Like that just got off on a long tangent. That's not where, I don't think this is where that was going. Anyways, so I just feel like I've been in a super big major rut lately. I just find like every time I sit down before I go to work to create a look, I'm like, oh, I have to create something different. I did a smoky eye yesterday, so I have to do a cut crease today. Oh, I did a cut crease yesterday, I have to do something different today. I used browns yesterday, so I'm going to use yellows today, or I'm going to use pinks. And I'm getting in this mindset where I'm like, if I don't branch out and be different every single day, I am just never gonna grow, which, I mean, to an extent I guess can happen, but never before did I feel like that. I never sat down and like questioned like, man, I'm getting in a rut, I need to like break out of it, I need to do something different. Like I've never thought that way. I'm like, oh, this is fun, this is makeup, let me just put on and like see where it takes me. Now it's like almost like pressure to be innovative, it's pressure to be different, it's pressure to stand out of the crowd. And I don't know, it's just been like weighing on my mind. So definitely, if you guys feel that way, please let me know, because it'll definitely help me not feel like I'm just the only one, which I don't think so, because I'm sure as an artist a lot of people get in that. You see these amazing lip arts online, you see these amazing like eyeliners that have characters on them, you see so many like crazy things that aren't like not, I don't want to say they're not realistic, they're creative, you know. It's a lot of creative art, not something that you necessarily wear to the grocery store. Like, I want to start seeing makeup tutorials. Like, yes, I know I feel like people think because we've seen the same thing before, like those smoky eyes or this, nobody wants to do them anymore because everyone has something to say about them, you know? So it's like, I don't want to upload a makeup tutorial because I'll feel like somebody's like, oh, I've seen that before, you know? Like, I see that on so many influencers. Like, if Jaclyn Hill does a red smoky eye, everyone's like, comes for her throat. It's like, why aren't she being different? Well, not everybody can do an eyeliner that's got a little character hanging by it, or this, like, the cut crease with the sunflowers in it. Like, I mean, you could do it, but I don't just want to do something just for views. I don't want to just do, like, it drives me crazy. I just want to sit down and play with makeup. And that's how I've always been up until a couple months ago, where I suddenly felt this pressure to be something, not necessarily something that I'm not, just not feeling good enough. I don't know. It's hard when you care so much about what you do, so much content out on social media, that it's like where do I fit in that? And that's my problem, is if I would just stop comparing myself and like stop scrolling on Instagram and seeing all these amazing double cut creases with, I don't know, it's just, I feel like I'm trying so hard to be something that I shouldn't have to worry about that. Like, I should just get back to my love for makeup, realize that yes, you are a good artist. If you weren't, you wouldn't be in the position you are. You wouldn't work at Sephora and be a color artist. You just wouldn't, you know what I mean? So that's my biggest thing right now. Please let me know down below if you've ever felt that. How did you work through it? How did you get out of the rut of like comparing yourself and losing inspiration, or feeling like you have to do what everybody else is doing? If not, people are going to forget about you. Because honestly, that's how I feel. I feel like I'm just going to like disappear. Not disappear, that sounds so dramatic. Maybe I mean like just from like, plus with like the algorithm and stuff, it's just, if you are not face tuned to death and doing crazy shit like using a knife for contouring or like crazy thumbnails, then unfortunately your stuff's not going to get seen unless something just miraculously happens and all of a sudden you're like, oh my god, I'm Instagram famous. And that's not what it's about. That's not what it's about. That's not why I'm making this video. I'm not making this video complaining because I don't have enough Instagram followers, or I don't have this, or I don't have that. It's just my artistry. When you take so much pride in what you do and your love for makeup and art and your creativity, and then all of a sudden one day you're just like, damn, I keep doing the same eye look, maybe I should switch it up. Or I did a cut crease yesterday, let's not do a cut crease today. Or a half cut crease, let's do smoky eye, or let's do purple. You know, it's just, I don't know, I just feel like I'm falling into a rut and I hate it, and I don't know how to get out of it. So if you guys have any tips for that, if you know how to get yourself out of that and stop comparing yourself, please let me know. And that's all I think I'm going to say for today's video. I just wanted to let you guys out there know that you're not alone if you do feel this way, because I'm feeling this way right now. And I always find that I feel so much better after I talk about it to you guys. I always feel like therapeutic when I tell you how I feel. Now, if it's going to fix the rut, I don't know. I don't know. So it's just one of those, we'll wait and see what it does. Guys, that is it for this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. It really helps me out and lets me know that you're there for me and all that kind of good stuff. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Whatever side it's on, it's there. You know it's there. I see you. I'm watching you. Please hit the subscribe button. And that is all I'm going to say for this video. I love you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for listening to me rant today. I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!